I just came home from my university right now, and let me just keep my bag on my cupboard and then I will start my video. Hi everyone, this is Munmun Alum, your sunshine girl, and welcome back to my channel. Tell me, how are you guys? I'm fine. So let's start the video. I'm wearing a bit of makeup, you can see that, and remove makeup is very important even if you are so tired while you come back to your home. I have changed my dress and woof, it's a big relief, guys. And also I'm wearing my comfort outfit. That's a very loose outfit actually. Let me just tie my hair with clips because first I will do some skincare and then I will share you with my hair care and basically my night blog, actually what I do after skincare and what I eat and when I go to sleep, etc. Now I will use an almond oil. It's basically a sweet almond oil which is preferable for face, and use this for removing my makeup. Very gently with a tissue I will remove my makeup, I will remove my lipstick, I'll remove my eye makeup. Talking about its benefits, sweet almond oil is a very good ingredient for face because it contains some nutrients like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, etc., which nourishes the face and makes it look very healthy and moisturizing also. Now after drinking some water, I will clean my face. Actually, I will remove some extra hair from my upper lip and from my eyebrow with the help of a razor. I'm using aloe vera gel so that I can do it easily and I do not cut my skin. Remember guys, you need to do it very carefully and very patientfully. I just clean my upper lip and eyebrow area. I do not shave my whole face and I don't also prefer. If you want, you can do this in your whole face. There is no wrong in doing this. Okay, I'm done cleaning my face properly and look, it's looking so beautiful right now. I'll have an under eye massage now, and for that I'm using aloe vera slice which I cut down from aloe vera leaf. I'll set it properly in my under eye area and then I will keep it for maximum 15 to 20 minutes. You can also massage your under eye with that aloe vera slice. It will make your face feeling so cool and so soothing. And also you can apply this on your nose and lip area. It makes hydrated your lip and your nose. Also you can massage your lip and your nose. Okay, I have taken 3 ingredients with me for making a lip scrub, and for that I'm using my Vaseline, honey and sugar. After mixing them properly, I will apply it on my lip and I will scrub it for 5 minutes. Now I will make a face pack using rice flour, honey and yogurt, and I will mix them together and will apply all over my faces. After properly applying, I will keep it for 20 minutes and wait for making it dry, and then I will wash it out. See, the face pack has been dry, and don't make it over dry. I have washed my face off camera and now I will make dinner for myself. My dinner is ready guys. It's almost 9:30 p.m. and I will eat my dinner. Now I will make coffee for myself. I normally don't prefer to drink coffee after dinner, but today I don't know why, but I'm really wishing to have a mug of coffee. Well, my coffee is ready. I will drink it while applying oil in my hair. And for my mini hair care, I'm using this oil. It's not the normal coconut oil. I have preserved my oil with amloki and methi like 1 week ago, and now I'm applying it all over my hair. I'm applying oil on my scalp first and then I will apply it all over my hair. As you can see, my hair is very long, so it takes time to apply oil all over my hair. I'm done applying and you can see that it's looking really like so healthy and nourishing than before. Okay, let's drink my coffee. I apply oil twice in every week and I apply this at night and wash it next day, giving my head a hand massage for a sound sleep. Well, now what? It's 10:30 p.m. and I need to go to sleep. But before going to sleep, must remember that you need to braid your hair. Don't ever go to sleep with untied hair. It will damage your hair very badly. I have made a loose braid and tied it with my scrunchie. And also, please do brush your teeth before going to sleep. It's more effective than you brush your teeth in morning. I'm setting my alarm as I have exam tomorrow and I need to wake up very early. So, yeah, that's all. Good night.